Welcome to DiscountFilters.com. Today we'll be going over how to change a W10295370 water filter. The first step is locating your filter. This filter can be found in the upper right-hand corner of your refrigerator. To remove the filter, lift the lid and simply remove the old filter. When inserting the new filter, make sure to properly align the filter before inserting it into the holes. To align your filter, make sure the arrows are pointing up. After replacing the filter, flush approximately 2 gallons of water through the filter before using.